viewers, this is Ikram. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. This is going to be my first video on YouTube, and here I am going to teach you about tenses. What are tenses? This is the first video of this playlist, and today we will complete the topic tense and the branches of tense, the definition of tense, where tense came from, how to use it in sentences. Today we will discuss this, and after this we will one by one read the every topic, that the sub branches of tense. Branches, these are the branches of tense: present, past, future. So let's start the video. Tense. The word tense has been derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time. It means the word tense has been taken from the Latin word, and that it is mean for time, age. After that, there are main three branches of tense: present tense, past tense, future tense. So every branch contains its sub branches. This is the branch of tense, and these are the sub branch of this tense. The present tense contains four main branches. So these are the sub branches of tense: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Present indefinite means that those actions which we do in present. For example, today, every day I go to school. E does noise. You stay here. These all sentences are for present. Present continuous means those actions which we are doing in our current stage. For example, I am teaching you right now. This comes in continuous. Present perfect is used for those actions which have been done but in present. Suppose today I am making this video. For example, I make video on YouTube. This is for present indefinite. I am making a video. This is for present continuous. I made a video. This is for present perfect. And present perfect continuous tense is, for example, I have been making a video since morning. So again, this is the for past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Past indefinite means those actions which we did yesterday or before. For example, I taught you, and second form of the verb is used here. Here first form of the verb is used. Past continuous, those actions which were going on in past. For example, I was teaching you yesterday. I was teaching you. I had taught you. I had been teaching you for 3 years. So future indefinite, I will do those. It is used for those actions which we will do in future, not in present or in past. And future continuous, those actions which we maybe do in future. For example, he will be climbing on tree. Future perfect, those actions which will going to be complete in future, and this is as well as same as this. So here you can see every branch has its 4 sub branch, and there are total main 12 tenses. Main 12 tenses are there. So I will share this all pic for you at the end of video. For today we just here we are going to end my video. The definite what we did today, the definition of tenses, how many tenses are there, their branches, etc. So tomorrow what will we do? I will teach you just present, the 4 sub branches of present tense, and after that video I will teach you the past tense and the sub branches of tense. After it, future and the sub branches of future tense. You can see it, and we will meet tomorrow. Take care.